New exercise of area related to circle. Question number 1. Find out the area of the shaded region. This is the shaded region of a circle. If this PQ is 24, PR is 7 centimeter and O is the center is given. Now since this Q and R, this is the diameter because this passes from the center, and the angle QPR means this angle P is equals to 90 degree because ये जो QR है ये इतना portion, this is a semicircle and we know that any angle in the semicircle is right angle. So this P is right angle. Now this is a right angle, so we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. This is the hypotenuse, this is the base and this is the perpendicular. Put all the values, then we will find out the value of QR. This is 25. Root 625 का root है 25 centimeter. So this diameter is 25 centimeter. Now diameter is 25, so radius is half of the diameter. This OQ and OR. This OQ and OR, they both are the radius and this is 25 by 2 centimeter. Now area of a right triangle PQR. ये जो PQR right triangle है इसका area half into base into height. Put all the values. Then area is equals to 84 centimeter square. Now we have to find out the area of the semicircle, this QBR, this semicircle. Now area of circle is pi r square. So area of semicircle is half pi r square. Put all the values and the area is this. अब हमें जो ये शेडेड रीजन है इसका एरिया निकालना है. सो इफ़ ये जो पूरा सेमी सर्कल है इसके एरिया में से अगर हम इस ट्रायंगल के एरिया को माइनस कर देंगे देन वी विल गेट द एरिया ऑफ द शेडेड रीजन. मैंने वही किया है, सेमी सर्कल माइनस एरिया ऑफ राइट ट्रायंगल पी क्यू आर. इन दोनों की वैल्यूज़ हमने यहाँ पे फाइंड आउट की है एरिया की. नाउ पुट द वैल्यूज़. Now put the values and after solving the area of the shaded portion is 4523 means 4523 divided by 28 centimeter square. आपको बुक में यही आंसर मिलेगा, but after dividing you can get 161.54 centimeter square. Both the answers are correct.